my channel, Megan Victoria. So today, ladies and gentlemen, besides my fabulous flipping ponytail that's actually kind of like making me feel quite fun, I'm going to be showing you this makeup look today. So we just did this one on Instagram Live. It was so much fun and everyone was really into it. And it's so funny because you guys know I love glowy, poppin', colorful, pretty, shimmery, glimmery kind of looks. And this one is like matte eyes, matte lips, but there's always glow in the skin. I kind of thought it'd be fun to like contrast them. So like play with the matte tones or like the matte texture in the eyes and the lips, but then leave the skin really glowy and pretty. And I really like how this look came out, sorry. There's some really nice shaping and structuring in the eyes, which is really nice. Ignore the one finger. I'm not gonna talk like this. And then the lip is like this really beautiful like mocha chocolate color. And then I just thought it would be fun to like have a ponytail with this. And I have an event tonight, so I thought this was like very like sophisticated makeup. It's good for like business meeting kind of thing. So anyway, if you'd like to see how I get this look, then please keep on watching. Let's get started. So the first thing we need is a transition shade. Now I think this is a great transition shade. So we'll use this little guy. Pure products are so damn pigmented, like you have to mentally prepare yourself knowing they're that pigmented. So we're just going to rock that back and forth. Yeah. I just really want to play with cool tones. Like cool tones and neutral tones and not warm tones. I know, who am I? But we're just gonna try. So I don't know if we want to do like a very shaped out eye or if I want to do more of like a good old-fashioned like blown out smoky eye. I don't do matte anything ever, so this is very true. You would not have seen that on this channel. No way. No, I'm like shimmer and glitter. But Bella just was like sleeping and like popped up and was just like, bitch, what? But yeah, I kind of want to play with like gray. Oh, and I'm also using a E40, I think, right? Yes, an E40 brush from Sigma. And blending. Okay, so wow, that's so gray. Who am I? I'm scared. I don't know her. I don't know her. Okay, so I'm going to take this shade Splurge. 20%, that is so rude, camera. Okay, we'll figure this out. I'm gonna take the shade Splurge because it has a little bit of that green, kind of greeniness to its brown. It's not like an orangey brown. My goal is basically no orange browns. I don't want to cry saying that. So we're just gonna put that right over top, and that's just, ooh, yeah, yes. So that's gonna take it from that gray tone and kind of make it a little bit more of a neutral brown, because it was just like a little too gray. Like, we want to go neutral, not like Day of the Dead. Wait, Day of the Dead is super colorful. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Walking Dead. But yeah, I don't think I can do gray eyeshadow. That freaks me out. Maybe one day. But for today, just matte shadow. Now with matte colors, this is the thing. You really have to blend them. Matte colors can very easily become patchy. They can very easily just turn into a hot mess. You really do have to blend, and you have to kind of like make sure your eye is like really stretched, and you kind of give it like a little bit of pressure. But matte shadows, because like shimmer bounces back light, it's way more forgiving, whereas matte absorbs light, so it shows every little freaking detail. So you really want to make sure your eyes are really well primed, prepped, and that you're blending for basically 500 hours and then another 500. Take the E35, so this is a tapered blending brush, so that's the E40. This one's just a little bit smaller, and we're just gonna take a little bit of this Mogul color, Mogul, I don't know. I'm just going to put that in the brow bone highlight. Again, pretty matte. Just blend it with that other shade, which is called something. It's from the other palette, I don't know. So super like lightly like that, but that's just gonna kind of give us a nice transition between the crease and the brow bone. Now, I'm going to take the E25. What is it? Velario. This is so disrespectful. Who took my... Okay, so we're going to take the E25, and this is, again, a little bit smaller. We're going to take this shade. This shade kind of looks scary, but it's epic. I can see how much pigment's there, but it's a nice dark brown. I can't believe I'm using matte eyeshadows. Do you know how weird I feel? And really make sure you tap off the excess and have a very light hand. And you can kind of, I'm gonna start shading the crease. You can see how I'm really starting on the outer corner, lightly bringing it there. But see how pigmented it freaking is? Such a bloody, Pure products are so bloody pigmented. Okay, so once you've got like the basic shape, you can switch brushes or drop them, whatever you prefer. This is the E35 and it has nothing on it. Actually, it probably has a little bit of that other shade, but that's totally fine. And we'll blend. Just like lightly dip into the Epic shade, like just tap. Just to get a little something on the brush, and then tap that off. And then just super lightly. See, even that amount of pigment, oh my god. It's crazy how pigmented these are. They're so bloody pigmented. They're actually wild. Like, just really make sure you tap your excess. I'm having an identity crisis. And then I'm like, do I go lighter on the lid? Do I, do I cut it? I don't know. There's so many decisions. Take the shade Private Party. It's like a peachy kind of light color. You know what's so hard is finding good light matte shades. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so just gonna pat that on. This is honestly so exciting. To find good light matte shades is honestly like, it's impossible. This is such a good vanilla shade. On the tapered blending brush, this is risky, but we're gonna do it. Take a little bit more of that Epic shade. Really tap that off. I'm just gonna kind of trace my crease. Just going back and forth with a very light hand, just to get a little bit more of the definition. And then blend. My eye is like a completely different shape on this side, so it's extremely different. What I'm thinking now is we're gonna get the Sigma eyeliner because it's so good. So this is Line Ace, and it is, I think it's in Legend, so it's very, 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 very black. Very black. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, it's so freaking black. Like, do you see how black that is? Oh my god, that's so beautiful. This liner is so freaking good. It blows my mind. Now we're gonna take that little tapered brush. You guys know I love this trick, but I really think it helps with placement is when you can kind of just rock it in the socket like that. So yeah, then we'll blend this black line out. And this is when you can kind of continue taking the shading into the eye. Damn, I'm liking this. I feel like I'm drawing. It is incredible, of course. Oh my god. It is incredible though, like when you actually start structuring your eye, how much you can really change the shape and things. So let's do it on this side. Okay, so, well, let's continue. Eyes look good. So yeah, we're gonna take a little smudgy smudge. We're gonna start with the shade Splurge on this little brush. I'm gonna go right under the eyes. Not blowing it out too much. Amazing how these basic looks take like more time than the other stuff, but it's true. It's because these actually require more skill than like just, you know, slapping on shimmer eyeshadow and some lashes. Okay, so then we're gonna take the smaller version of this little guy and go into that Epic shade, so that like deep dark chocolatey brown. And I'll get that a little bit closer to the lash line. Okay, just like so. And then we're gonna take some mascara and we'll get a little mascara on our lower lashes. Bam, bam, bam. This is so sophisticated. No, I feel like a very sophisticated woman here, okay? Now, I just had this in my brain to do like a brown lip, and now I don't know because this is like so pretty. But I think we'll do it. Let's just do it. Okay, so the first color I've got is the Cafe Au Chic from MAC. You guys know I never have any MAC, so this is kind of exciting. But it's so pretty of a color. I like this look. I think we're done. Like, at least the makeup. Isn't it weird to have matte eyes, matte lips, and then like super glowy skin? I kind of love the like combo. Alright guys, so there we have it. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm really into this look. It's definitely more different than my everyday style, and I really find that when I've been talking to you guys on Instagram, like I've been really coming out of my shell like with different looks, like, you know, being more creative and playing with different tones and textures instead of just being like rose gold glam and like there's no glitter in this. So give me, you know, give me a thumbs up for the no glitter. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Obviously. Why? And until next time, hair flip out.